You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to set your Android screen color back to normal. First, check if a blue light filter or night light is on. Swipe down the notification panel and look for an icon labeled iComfort, blue light filter or night light. Tap it to turn it off. If you don't see it, go to Settings, Display. Look for iComfort Shield or blue light filter. Toggle it off. Next, check color mode. In Settings, Display, look for Screen Mode or Color Mode. Tap it and select Vivid or Natural to restore default colors. If colors look inverted, you may have enabled accessibility settings. Go to Settings, Accessibility, look for Color Correction or Color Inversion. Tap it and ensure it's off. On some Samsung phones, go to Settings, Accessibility, Visibility Enhancements, then Color Adjustment, and turn it off. If the issue is due to a theme, go to Settings, Wallpaper and Style, and select the default theme. As a last resort, reset all display settings. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset App Preferences. This won't delete data but resets display-related app settings. If the problem persists, restart your phone. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.